Hello friends, today we will start with past perfect continuous tense. It is similar to the past perfect simple. However, the continuous form expresses longer actions before another action in the past. It is also similar to present perfect continuous. Nevertheless, instead of the time being now, the time is past. So, it is similar to past perfect. In past perfect implies that the action happened in the past, and present perfect continuous, the same. Perfect continuous tense shows that action was in process for a period of time. So like that, here it is past perfect continuous, so it will be in the past. Example: I had been waiting in the line for hours until I could finally pay my bills. I had been waiting for hours when my wife arrived. Now let us see on the timeline past, present and future. I had been waiting for hours when my wife arrived. The first action, waiting. Second action, the wife arrived. So waiting happened before the wife arrived. Now let us see affirmative form. I had been waiting. You had been waiting. He, she, it had been waiting. We, you, they had been waiting. So the structure will be subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing. Now let us see negative form. I had not been waiting. You had not been waiting. He, she, it had not been waiting. We, you, or they had not been waiting. Had not can also be written as hadn't. Interrogative form, in which had helping verb comes before the subject. Had I been waiting? Had you been waiting? Had he been waiting? Had she been waiting? Had it been waiting? Had we been waiting? Had you been waiting? Had they been waiting? Had you studied English before you started studying in your current school? How long had you been waiting before this class started? So that's it about past perfect continuous tense. Thank you. Have a great day.